bats. Look, what a kind of animal is that hanging upside down? It's a bat. Bats are amazing. Bats are not birds. They're mammals. They are the only mammals that can fly. Did you know that there are more than 900 kinds of bats? Bats live all over the world. The only place bats did not live is in Antarctica. Bats sleep during the day. They hunt for food at night. Some bats eat fruit. Other bats eat bugs. A little brown bat can eat 1,000 mosquitoes in 1 hour. That is one hungry bat. Many people think bats are blind, but that is not true. Bats can see very well. Bats have special senses. It helps them catch bugs. Bats send out a sound from their mouth or nose. When the sound hits the bug, an echo comes back. The bats find the bug using the echo. Bats like to live in a dark place, such as caves. They sometimes live in attics in home. When they sleep during the day, they hang upside down. When bats hanging upside down, they are far away from their enemies. Being upside down also lets them fly away quickly. They just flap their wings and up they go. Bats can live for more than 30 years. Bats usually have one baby per year. It is called a pup. This is the smallest bat. It is called kitty stalk-nosed bat. It is the size of a bumblebee. It weighs as much as a penny. Now that is a small animal. One of the biggest bats in the world is the Golden Cape fruit bat. It weighs up to 3 pounds. That is the size of a small dog. You should never pick up a bat. If a bat is in your house, just open the door and let it fly out. Always ask a grown-up to help you. Bats do many good things. They eat lots of bugs. Then those bugs won't buzz in your ears or ruin our farmers' fruits and vegetables. Scientists also work with bats to create new kinds of medicine. There is so much we can learn about bats. The end.